Aloha, Annie. Listen, if you're female and watching this, I hope you understand that when you live in the tropics, your hair is just problematic at all times. So anyways, I just wanted to say that. I'm at Makahuena, which is an oceanfront community in the Poipukaloa area. And Makahuena is really a pretty interesting community. Most of the condos do have some type of ocean view. This one is specifically spectacular. We have everything from 1-bedroom to 3-bedroom condos and even a standalone home. Now, this one is special because there's a wraparound lanai and the ocean views from it are just incredible. But Makahuena is great because it is an oceanfront community, has a little bit of everything. Now, it's not in Poipukai, but it is kind of right in between Shipwrecks Beach and Poipu Beach. So it is still pretty walkable to beaches. And, you know, Poipu, you can kind of ride your bike or walk around. Makahuena also has tennis courts, a pool, and a hot tub. And then along the property edge, when you get closer to the ocean, there are benches that you can go out and sit in. Feel the sea spray on your face. As you'll see, on the right day, you get a lot of white water. Currently standing in what used to be the attic of this particular condo in Makahuena. When it was built, it was a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. At one time, Makahuena allowed owners with licensed contractors, board approval, and permits to build the third or the attic space into a 3rd bedroom. That is no longer allowed. So if you buy one of these upper unit condos, don't think you can add the 3rd bedroom if one of the previous owners hasn't already done it. If it's there, you can keep it. If it's not there, you can't add it. Most condo complexes are super uniform. That is not true of Makahuena. There are 1-bedrooms, 2-bedrooms, 3-bedrooms. There's a standalone home within the condo community and condos that are more of a townhouse style. So this has a variety of floor plans and opportunities. The shared elements are that it's an oceanfront complex, the pool, the hot tub, and the location. So if you're interested, reach out, let me know. Let's talk about it.